Tired of dried chicken breast every day? Today, let's make something better. Steamed chicken leg with rich, flavorful broth. It's juicy, packed with protein, and perfect for anyone who works out. Let's do it.
I've prepared 2 chicken legs and 2 wings. Let's start by making a few cuts in the thickest part of the legs. This helps them cook faster when steaming and also soak up more flavor during marinating. Same goes for the wings. Now let's blanch the chicken. This step helps get rid of any unpleasant odors. Pour boiling water into a pot. Add the chicken legs, a few slices of ginger, some green onions, and about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine or regular wine. Once the water comes back to a boil, cook for just 1 minute. Then take the chicken out and put it into ice water. This will make the meat extra tender and smooth. Now let's make the marinade. Add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cooking wine or beer. Mix everything well. Then spread the sauce evenly over the chicken. You can poke a few holes in the meat to help it absorb the flavor better. Now let it marinate for 20 minutes.
Poking the chicken with a toothpick helps it soak up the flavor better. And steaming brings out all the juicy goodness from inside.
Let's prepare some aromatics to make the chicken broth even more flavorful. Finely chop some garlic and a bit of green onion. Once they are ready, drizzle a little bit of hot oil over the top, just a small amount, or it might turn out too greasy. Place some thinly sliced ginger in a bowl. Then add the marinated chicken on top. Add a few pieces of green onion to enhance the aroma. Steam it over high heat for 15 minutes. Time's up. During steaming, the rising steam dripped into the bowl, soaking up all the rich flavor from the chicken and the marinade. This broth is the essence of the dish. Stream the soup into the sauce we made earlier. Then cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Pour that soulful sauce all over the chicken, and come enjoy this delicious meal with me.
Let me try first. A little bit soup. Let me try this soup. It's very delicious. It's good. Okay, let me try the chicken. Oh, it's really good. I think you should try it. Okay, our steamed chicken is ready. Tender, juicy, and simple. And the best part? All the essence of the chicken has melted into this bowl of golden broth. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment. Okay guys, see you in next video. Bye bye.